This video is on how to complete your induction training. Any new staff member or visitor to the college will require to undergo induction training relating to their conduct while on site. It may be information you've completed at other locations, but it has to be redone for each school and records maintained. That's part of the registration and compliance requirements. The first thing you will receive is an email from your supervisor at the college requesting that you undertake staff induction training. The email will look something along the lines of this. Within the email there will be several links. There is also a link on it back to your supervisor, so should you have any questions. First thing you need to do is click on the link which says Induction REQ. It will open a page listing down the modules that you are required to complete based on the role or function that you'll be providing at the college. It will vary from the list you see currently on your screen depending on your personal needs. It doesn't matter what order you complete the trainings in, but you must complete all of the modules to successfully complete your induction training obligation. The first thing you need to do is review the training material. But to do so, if you point at the title of a particular module and click on it, you will be asked to open or save a PowerPoint. To open it, you click on the Open button. The content of the PowerPoint will be applicable to the module that you've chosen. It will open in standard PowerPoint mode. To review the information, you just down the bottom click on a little icon saying slideshow, and it will put it into slideshow mode, and you can then step through each of the slides by clicking on the slide to move to the next one. Having completed the entire slide deck, the screen will go blank. You can escape to go out of slideshow mode and then just close the PowerPoint. This will take you back to your list of modules that you need to complete, and having reviewed the training material for the particular module, if you go to the right of the title, there is a link saying Assess, and clicking on the Assess link will open another window. This window is the short series of questions that will ask you to confirm that you've understood the information you've read. The first slide is just the title slide, confirm that you're in the right assessment. Down the bottom it will have the date that you're carrying out the assessment, and it should have your name next to the completed by. If you hit next, it will then go through each of the questions in order. The question will be featured in the black title bar. You will then have options underneath it to answer. Click on the answer, use the next button to move on to the next question. If you fail to answer or make a selection and try to move on, you'll get a message coming up saying try again. So you must answer every question. If you're not sure whether you answered the previous question correct or not, or wish to move back to review your answer, you can use the previous button. And the cancel button on the left is to exit out of the assessment. Moving through them, when you get to the end of the questions, you will get a result screen up, and it will highlight whether you have passed or failed the assessment. If you failed the assessment, it will list above it the questions that you have got incorrect. You can then use the previous button to go back to them. So I can go back through the questions, make the correct answer, and then move on. If you're not sure and you wish to review the training material again, you can use the cancel button to exit out of the assessment and go back to your list of modules and reopen the training material. Otherwise, until such time as you get a pass mark. It doesn't matter how many times you attempt the assessment. There is no record kept of how many attempts you go through. The only record kept is that you have passed each of the modules. When you have got a pass mark, click the Finish button and it will return to the list of modules you need to complete. You don't need to complete all the modules in one sitting. You can exit out of the screen and anytime come back to it by using the link in the email. When you have completed all the modules and passed all the assessments on each, by closing the screen it will take you back to your email, and at the bottom of your email there will be a link for you to contact your supervisor to let them know that you have completed your induction. To do so, click on the Refer button or link, have a screen appear that is already pre-populated. All you need to do is type in your name, word completed, and press the OK button. This will then create an email through to your supervisor telling them that you have completed your induction. And that is it. So thank you for your time.